UCD is one of the largest, most established centres of learning in Ireland. UCD Professional Academy combines academic heritage with modern ambition to provide industry-leading professional courses. Our Professional Academy diplomas are designed to help you build career momentum. Our short courses teach practical, applied skills to support you to achieve your career and business goals. Do you want to boost your career in data skills without learning to code? If programming languages like R or Python have held you back, then this course is the one for you. Learn to prepare, analyse and visualise data using Excel, Power BI and Tableau, the tools businesses rely on to make smart decisions, and there's no coding required. Data is at the heart of modern business decision making, and understanding how to analyse and interpret it is a valuable skill in any industry. This course is designed for professionals who want to harness the power of data without having to code, making it accessible, practical and easy to apply in real-world scenarios. From collating and cleaning data sets to sorting, blending and analysing information, this course teaches you how to uncover insights that drive smarter business decisions. Beyond analysis, you'll master data visualization techniques to present findings effectively using charts, graphs, dashboards and reports. With a hands-on, interactive approach, this course ensures you gain practical experience while learning to think critically about data. So whether you're into marketing, finance or HR, if you're looking to make data-driven decisions and communicate insights effectively, this course is for you. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey today.